Hello everyone, Nikhil this side from Coding Beam. So in this video we are going to learn about the classes in the JavaScript. So the JavaScript do not have any class. The JavaScript classes does not support the full OOPS concepts like the Java and the C#. And in the JavaScript, as I told earlier, that the functions are considered as the classes and we use the functions instead of the classes in the JavaScript. So how can we declare the class? So this is the syntax to declare the class. There will be the function keyword and then there will be the name of the class and it will be in the Pascal naming convention. So now the this dot make, this is a new property of the class, and this dot model here, this is also the new property of the class. So this is how can we declare the classes in the JavaScript. So now we will see directly it in the code via the practical way. So now we are in the Visual Studio Code. Now we will declare a new class here with the function keyword. It will be the function, and then there will be the name of the class in the Pascal naming convention. So there will be the car and then the parenthesis, and then we will create new properties like this dot make equals to Honda. Now this dot model equals to Civic. Now this dot price equals to 2 lakhs. Now this dot year and it will be 2020. So now the Honda is here without the semicolon, so I will add it. So now we have declared a new class with this dot make, this dot model, the price and the year. So these are properties of the class. So now if we have to access these properties, we have to create a new instance of the class. So we will now create a new variable. It will be the let and it will be the car and it is in the smaller naming convention. So now there will be the new car, and then we have created a new object of the class. So now we have to access its properties. So the car, we will now console.log the car dot make or all things. So now if we will now console.log car, now you will see the car is the class here, and then the make Honda, the model is the Civic, the price is 2 lakh, the year is 2020. So now if we have to access the properties like the make and the car dot model, so now the make and model will be there like the Honda and the Civic. So now this is how can we create a class in the JavaScript. So guys, now we can also create some methods in the class. Like if we have to declare a new method here, we will declare with that this dot get details. So it will be the equals to, and then there will be the function keyword as we saw in the function types. So there will be the anonymous function. So there will be the function keyword and then there will be the parenthesis and then this. So now we will return the make plus this dot plus or space. There will be the space, so there will be the string with the space, and then this dot model, then again space, and then this dot, I will maximize. So now it will be this dot price and again the space, and now again this dot year and then semicolon. So now if we will call the get details function here instead of the this, so now the car dot get details, and now if now we will save it. Now in the console, now actually the live server is not running here, so I have to go to the index.html and I will open the live server. So now in the console, now you will see the Honda Civic. So now in the console you will see the Honda Civic, the price and the year. So this is how can we declare the methods in the class. And now if we have to declare the constructors also, so there if I have to create the new constructors, like the make is here, the model is here, the price is here, and the year is here. And then if I will remove this, or I will directly click on this here, like the Honda, it will be the make, and instead of the model it will be the model here. And now instead of the price it will be the price keyword, price variable. And then now instead of this it will be the year. And then we will return the get details function from this. And now if we are creating a new instance of it, we have to now call the constructor here, and then we have to provide the details, like the make, it will be the Honda. Now it will be the Civic. Then again the price, it will be 2 lakhs, and then the year it will be 2011. And now if I will save, now we will see the same output again as we saw in the previous output. So this is how can we declare the class and their constructors in the JavaScript. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope you will like the video, and guys please subscribe to our channel also. Okay, bye.